Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Roland with Game of Apps, and today we're going to be talking about the Week 7 Coding Challenge. So I'm going to pass the time over to Ronald.
Hello. So we heard it was a little bit too hard last week again. We're sorry, but back again with another challenge, and hopefully this week you'll find it easier. So this week's problem is that we're given a input array of 4 digits. Your job is to find the latest time possible in those 4 digits. So the string is formatted as hour, minute, and your input will be just 4 digits. So I have some examples here as usual. So for example, if the input is 4321, your output for the correct answer would be 2341. Now you can see that this is 24-hour time, so make sure you know that and understand it. And this is not 12-hour time, so 2341 is 11:41 p.m. So in this 4-digit array, there's actually a couple different possibilities. And I listed a couple of them here, 1234, 1243, 1324, 1423. But what you need to do is to find out what is the latest possible one, and that's 2341. And hours, as I listed here, go from 00 to 23, and minutes goes from 00 to 59. Now in the second example here, you have an input of 5555, and there's no possible time in those 4 digits because 55 is not a valid hour. So the output you want to give for this one is just an empty string. So this week's submission, you can see that we have this usual driver code, but the printout will be basically a line after line of times. So what you want to do is to copy all those lines and put it into the submission form. So there won't be one like giant time at the end. It'll just be like a whole row of times. So I just ran it. Right now it just returns 0000. So you want to just copy all those and put it into the submission form. That way we can just see all the different times that you've generated from your algorithm. So this week it seems pretty simple, but the algorithm might be a little bit complex. Just think about it. But the input and the expected results are pretty straightforward. So we hope that you can find that this problem is a little bit easier than the past couple of weeks. And as always, any questions or any kind of edge cases you want clarified, please leave any questions in the Slack channel. If you have any challenges or problems, as always, we're always there to help you. Okay, so that's the problem for this week. Hope you have fun. And as always, we'll put the links up by the time you see this video. Have fun and good luck.